CapCut's render settings can affect audio sync. Stick with the H.264 codec for reliable exports. Adjust the bitrate to around 10 to 20 megabits for stable sync, especially with 4K videos. Enable hardware acceleration in CapCut settings for faster, more reliable processing. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your device and footage. Audio sample rates are crucial for maintaining sync in CapCut. The standard rate used in video editing is 48 kHz, which ensures compatibility with most video formats. When importing audio files, if the sample rate differs from 48 kHz, such as 44.1 kHz commonly found in MP3 files, it can cause the audio to lag behind or ahead of the video, creating a desync issue. To prevent this, always convert your audio files to 48 kHz before importing them into your CapCut project. You can do this using CapCut's built-in audio editor or external conversion tools. CapCut's AutoSync feature uses AI to automatically align audio and video clips. Start by selecting your audio and video clips in the timeline. Then, access the Sync Audio tool from the Audio menu. The AI analyzes the waveforms of both tracks to detect timing differences and makes automatic adjustments. This can reduce manual fixes by up to 80%, according to beta tests. Audio desync in CapCut can stem from hardware limitations, particularly on low-end devices with insufficient processing power or memory. Device overheating during rendering can cause skipped frames, leading to audio delays as the processor struggles to keep up. To resolve this, try closing other apps to free up system resources and reduce the load on your device. Reducing video resolution during editing can also help, as lower resolution requires less processing power. For more processing power, use CapCut Cloud on a desktop to handle heavy rendering tasks. Upgrading your device's RAM can significantly improve performance and prevent desync issues. These hardware optimizations can help maintain audio-video synchronization in CapCut. Always preview your video in real time before exporting. This catches potential sync issues early. Utilize CapCut's cross-platform syncing, mobile to desktop, via CapCut Cloud for a smoother workflow. Real-time preview fixes are now standard, helping you avoid surprises after export.